My name is Jens Schultz. I'm the president of Leuco Tool Corporation, based out of Atlanta, Georgia, with 7 facilities in the U.S. I'm responsible for the North American market for Leuco Tool. For manufacturers of wood products, there are several things that are coming out that are incredibly important for them. The trend for noise pollution, reduction of noise pollution has been huge. Everybody wants to do more with less resources without dedicating additional resources for it. So optimization of tool lives, from our point of view, is incredibly important. Noise pollution, like I just mentioned, has become a huge factor, something that everybody's talking about. We've come out with several solutions over the last few years. We've got a new one we're introducing on this show that as well is there to assist with reducing noise. And then there's, of course, the whole Industry 4.0 topic, complete integration, having all your suppliers communicating with each other instead of you having to do it. Just making life easier for the manufacturers of the wood products. Industry 4.0 and cutting tool is a complex question because there are so many variables to it. So what Leuco has done to address a broader set of questions from our customers is we've teamed up with companies like HOMAG and the University of Munich to try and create a software system or a cloud-based system that allows not just us to know what our customers are struggling with, but the machine companies like HOMAG to see what is happening while the tools are running. We go beyond just basic tool information like diameters and feeds and speeds. We go in, okay, how many inches will cut, or how many meters will cut, or just general measurements. In the U.S. as well, we partner with an industrial vending machine solution provider to kick off a inventory control program as well. So we go in and we offer this solution to our customers so that they can reduce the amount of time that their operators are spending on either going to get a tool or making sure they're getting the right tool. So a machine operator can only get the tools that he has. Now that system then will integrate with all the other Industry 4.0 measures and have the same tool information. Tool part numbers, for example, is a thing of the past. So starting shortly, actually in the next few months, we're moving away from having part numbers to having individual serial numbers for every tool that's being produced. Now, that's not going to be an overnight thing. That's something that's going to take years to implement. But there are so many things that we're working with that to just try and help our customers do more with less. Because our customer base is so broad, there's a lot of different challenges that we see the different groups having to face. For example, on this show, the question I've seen the most from companies is, how can we produce a variety of products with minimal investment? So they're looking to solve the challenge of capital investments, so buying less tools to do more. So we're trying to address that issue with them to give them more options. Then there are others that have now started using different wood-based materials. So there's the magnetic panels that have a metal inlay to them. There's a lot of phenolics and plastics that are coming out. So that obviously presents a different challenge. So if you're used to processing wood, now all of a sudden you're switching over to process phenolics or acrylics or plastics in general. It's a different material. It acts different. It's a whole different world. Hey y'all, this is Jens Schultz with Leuco Tool Corporation, your tooling specialists. You're watching Woodworking Network FDMC Executive Outlook Series.